showing you how to set up our driver for the Naim Unity Media Players. So starting off, we're just in Blueprint. Hopefully at this point you've downloaded the latest version of the drivers from our site, intrinsicdev.com. If not, make sure you go and grab them and then continue on. So from here, we're just going to come to Blueprint. First, we're going to open up our preferences, go to libraries, and here we're just going to make a custom library for our profile to add. So I've saved it to my documents, name Unity Savant, open that. That will import it. And now we just import, and this XML file is what we're looking for, the name Unity. Import that, wait for it to load. Right, now we've got it. So now we go to show library, and we're just going to filter by manufacturer for name. And here we go. Changing this name Unity for now. And so this is basic configuration of our host, a network switch, a media source, and speakers, just to show the setup of this. So first thing, we're going to connect the control port over the LAN. So for this, we're just going to set the IP address to 192.168.0.100. There we go. And let's take the first digital output, digital optical. Connect that to digital output 1, and then our output, go over RCA to our speakers, and that's all our connections made. So if we just generate services, this is our individual sources for each thing, so Bluetooth, AirPlay. Here in the services we can see each one, so a good idea actually might be to edit the aliases of this. So for AirPlay we have AirPlay. So you might not need to actually name all of these depending on which services you're actually going to be using. You might not actually need to enable all of them, but just for completeness I'll go through and put in at least meaningful names for this rather than just having name Unity for everything. Right, so now if we just enable all of these views. Might want to disable these for keypads, but for now, just for test, this is fine. Just close out of this. Our services are generated, upload to master. This is just a warning, this shouldn't affect anything with this profile specifically. This is more for lighting changes, or automatic lighting based on, daytime, so like at dawn having your lights come on or go off, etc. So we can just OK that, and it should be uploaded to the host any second, and that's the setup complete. Thanks for watching.